investigation on what the real motive was. Okay? Now, may lumalabas na sinasabi bullying, may lumalabas na ano, pero contrary to what the evidence shows, that is not actually factual. So let's not speculate that this was the motive. We can only do so much. Alam nyo, ang talagang, this is a wake-up call to parents, this is a wake-up call to the teachers. It's about time, you focus on your children. You cannot, if you cannot discipline and raise your children properly, don't leave them to the government to discipline. That's not our job. It's questionable. It's not established that it's bullying. It's not naman established that it's not bullying. We do not know yet. Because pati yung mga witnesses conflicting, yung mga accounts nila, it's very conflicting. So, but we need professionals to look at this. Kaya hindi muna kami nagsasalita. Hindi ako nagsasalita kaya ayoko ng haka-haka, ayoko ng mga sinasabing speculation. This is a very, very important incident to study. It is not a hidden fact, it's a fact that there are gang-related, incidents that are happening almost every city. We have identified the individuals, we know who they are, and they're being closely watched. And many of these happens because maraming OFW napapabayaan yung mga kabataan na yan, hindi nila namomonitor, kaya dapat bigyan ng pansin yan. It is important. So I am expecting that lawmakers will come out. Alam niyo, nasa executive din kami, kaya we can only enforce what the law says. Okay. I think definitely nakikita natin for someone to do this, you are not mentally stable. So we need professionals to look into that. If we cannot lock them up in the stations, police stations, we cannot also put them in Bahay Pag-aasa because that's a very minimum security, and this is basically a vicious crime.